Morning everyone, so it's our last full day, it's Sunday, and we're heading down to the beach and we're heading to Treasure Island, which is, I believe, St Petersburg area. So Jamie and Katie are just getting a Starbucks at the moment, just in here. I'm not getting one. I didn't finish the vlog last night. I wasn't feeling very well last night at all. And I'm not 100% this morning, but I'm a lot better. So yeah, so looking forward to kind of a last chilled day. So we're gonna, like I said, head to the beach, spend some time there, get some lunch, and then later on we've just got to pop out to the shops to get a couple of bits. Jamie bought a top from Under Armour and they forgot to take the tag off, which is really annoying, so we need to go and do that. And pack, unfortunately, so we'll go to obviously Disney Springs in the morning, drop off our cases. So yeah, so we'll take you with us. Jamie's got his drone with us, so hopefully we'll get some nice shots at the beach as well, and we'll share those with you. So I'll see you in a bit.
Swallow it, take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief and make me forget my memory. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know, let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke, put your broken rip off, wafers on, doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, we're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out.
We made St Petersburg, but we're having to go up to Clearwater because there was something called red tide. So what they say is a fungus from algae. It's algae.
Bad algae.
Kills fish. So there were loads of dead fish along there.
Yes.
Sure.
And then she did like finish off by saying it's not good for humans either, but I don't know how not good. So I can't smell, so obviously couldn't smell the dead fish, but Katie and Jamie assured me that it was pretty foul.
Yeah.
So we are going to head to Clearwater now, and hopefully it won't be affected.
15 miles up the road, see if it's any better.
Yes. It's nice and warm. Look at this parking space we've got, people.
I'm just going to see
We didn't think it was real.
I'm just going to see it.
Because the parking said it was full and there's people driving round. Doesn't seem right. We've parked up and we're in Hooters. So we've ordered lots of wings. The waitress was a lot friendlier to Jamie than she was to me. And lots of very So I'll show you the food when it comes. What is this?
Philly burger.
Philly burger.
Is that playing?
It's beautiful. Jamie, are you liking the sea?
Clearwater Beach.
Clearwater Beach.
With the seagulls.
It's very warm.
It's fucking roasting, man.
Very warm. I think the last time I saw you, we might have been at the beach. I can't remember. But since then we've been home, we've showered, we've popped out, run some errands, and now we're back in Miller's Ale House. So it's like, I think 2 weeks on and we're back. And we're in the same spot.
Exact same spot.
Exact same table. I was wondering if we're getting the exact same waitress, who I think really fancy Katie. We just ordered our drinks and our starters. Katie got a cocktail, and look, it's gone. Before I could even show you, like the lady hasn't come back to confirm detail on my main course, and it's gone. Katie, what's yours? Egg rolls. Egg rolls. Jamie, flatbread. Flatbread.
a flatbread, single one, with a very hot plate.
Pot stickers. Basically steamed pork jumping. Katie, what do you have?
Chicken zinger thing.
Ooh, some onion rings.
Onion rings.
Jamie, what have you got there?
Steak,
What's this?
boom boom shrimp,
The baked potato.
baked potato, and the whole tub of coleslaw.
Yeah, I think I've got the rest of the tub of coleslaw. A steak, chips, and some coleslaw.